Right, okay, nearly there. Question 23. Work out 54.6 times 4.3. Straightforward. 3 marks, times in two numbers together. But they're decimals, which people tend to get a bit scared now, don't they? So let's not deal with any decimals. Let's move these decimal points out of these numbers. Like switch them out. Move them out. So one space there, one space there. This is going to give us a much easier sum to do, hopefully. 546 times 43. Alright, so we're not worried about the decimals for now. We'll sort them out at the end. And we'll just have a quick go at doing this sum, and then we'll see if we can adjust our answer with a little bit of, adjustment at the end and get the actual answer to the question. So, how are we doing this? I will go for and encourage a method, the column method, which I've always kind of used. I know the grid method is popular, and I have used it in the past when teaching, but this method is quick and it's reliable, so let's see if we can get the right answer. First thing you do is you do 3 times 546, so 3 times 6 is 18, 8, carry the 1, 3 times 4 is 12, with the 1 is 13, carry the 1. 3 times 5 is 15, plus the 1 is 16, and that's me done for that first line there. 3 times that, okay? When I'm doing 4 times 546, the 4 is not in the units column, is it? It's in the tens column. What you need to do with this method is you need to start writing your answer in the tens column, okay? You don't start writing it in the units column, because you're not timesing with a number that's from the units column. So you put a 0 in here just to stop you from writing anything in there, and then you just carry on as normal. 4 times 6 is 24, so that's 4, carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 2 is 18, so 8, carry the 1. And 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 1 is 21. So here's my answer out here now. Alright, so let's extend those out a bit. And then you just add up both parts to get your final answer to this sum here. So 8 and 0 is 8. 3 and 4 is 7. 6 and 8 is 14. Carry the 1. 1, 1 and 1 is 3. And the 2 has got nothing above it, so that's just 2. So I've got this answer of 23,478. Obviously that's not the answer to this question. So remember when we moved out the decimal places, we moved them out once and then twice to get them out. We had 1 there and 1 there. We need to move them back in 2 places. Let me just label that so you know what I'm talking about. 1 there and 1 move there. That's 2 moves to the right, so we need to do 2 moves back into the left to cancel that out. And there's your final answer. The final answer is 234.78. And if you want a quick way to check if that is the correct placement of your decimal point, then just do a nice clever check here with the original numbers. What's 54.6 roughly? Well, it's roughly about 50, right? What is 4.3 roughly? Well, that's roughly about 4. What's 50 times 4? That's well, that is exactly 200. Is my answer around 200? Yes, it is. It's 234, which is, within the hundreds, isn't it? So it's a nice way just to check that you haven't, put it. If you got 2,347.8, you'd be like, oh, that doesn't really match 200, so you could adjust it that way as well. Nice little tip for your exam. Alright, we've only got a couple of questions left now.